Hi children, good morning. This is your geography revision class. Okay, we are going to see about minerals and resources. What are minerals? Yes, minerals are very valuable, important things which we found in nature, isn't it? Then mineral consists more than one element. It do not occur in pure form. Okay, we need to extract the minerals from the ore. Minerals are of two types. One is metallic minerals, another one is non-metallic mineral. Okay. Metallic minerals are two types. Those are ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous contain iron. Non-ferrous mineral do not contain iron. Okay. And we can find metallic minerals in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Then non-metallic minerals. We can find non-metallic minerals in sedimentary rocks. Examples are salt, coal, potash, sulfur. Okay. Then extraction of minerals. How we extract the minerals already we saw. Extraction of minerals are of three type. What are they? Quarrying, mining and drilling. Two type of mining are there. Those are open cast mining and shaft mining. What is quarrying? Yes, minerals that are located very close to the surface of the earth, we can dig it out simply. That is quarrying. Okay, by removing the surface layer of the earth, we can get some minerals. Those are nothing but open cast mining or else open pit mining. Then shaft mining, meaning to dig out the minerals by deep bore wells. Those are called shaft mining. To extract oil, natural gas, we can use the method of drilling. Energy resources that have been in common use for a long period of time, we can say it as conventional resource. Okay. For example, fossil fuels, firewood, coal, petroleum, natural gas, hydel power. All those things come under conventional resources. Then non-conventional resources. Solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy and biogas. These things are non-conventional sources. Those are inexhaustible sources. Okay. Then conservation of power and energy resource, children. We should conserve everything. Already we knew. So we should use carpooling system, cycling and using public transport to save the natural energy. We should not waste any energy. Okay, we should save the energy for a better tomorrow. For our upcoming generation, we should save everything. Next, we see agriculture farming and its type. Agar means field, culture means culture or to cultivate. Okay, the factors are influencing agriculture are climate, relief futures, soil, and socio-economic factors. Types of farming: subsistence farming and commercial farming. In subsistence farming, we have intensive subsistence agriculture, then primitive subsistence agriculture. Okay. In primitive, we have two types. What are they? Yes, nomadic herding and shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is called as jhum in northeast India. In other parts of the world, they call as slash and burn agriculture. Then commercial agriculture. Commercial grain farming, mixed farming, plantation agriculture all come under commercial agriculture. Then mixed farming. In mixed farming, crops are grown and animals also rearing. Okay, along with food crops, they make fodder crops to grow. Okay, then plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture or take place in which place? Yes, in hilly areas. Okay, tea, coffee, rubber and spices are the main crops and sugar cane too. Sugar cane grows in which place? Yes, in plains. Then dairy farming. So in dairy farming, cattle are rearing for milk and milk products. For milking, feeding and cleaning the cattle, they use modern machineries. Okay. Then cooperative farming. In cooperative farming, the farmers they meet the consumers directly, and they can be utilized by the government through cooperative banks for a very low rate of interest. Okay, children. Then Commercial rearing is called as sericulture. Breeding of fish is called as pisciculture. And cultivation of fruits is called as horticulture. Cultivation of grapes is called as viticulture. That's all for today's class, children. Just take a book and read these two lessons. Okay, and I will send the homework to you. Thank you, children. Be safe at home, dears.